Most travelers assume all travel insurance is the same, but the surprising truth is that Heymondo offers features that make it especially useful for frequent travelers or adventurous trips. I tested Heymondo during a 2-week trip to Europe, and here's my experience. First, the coverage is extensive. Medical expenses, emergency medical evacuation, trip interruption, and lost luggage are all included. Most people get this wrong by assuming only medical emergencies are covered. Heymondo goes beyond basic protection. Activation is simple. You buy a plan online, receive a policy instantly, and you are covered immediately. The app allows you to file claims, store documents, and even contact emergency assistance with a single tap. You won't believe what happens next. I had a minor medical emergency, filed the claim through the app, and reimbursement was processed within days. Heymondo also offers optional COVID-19 coverage, including quarantine-related expenses, which is a feature many travelers overlook. Another surprising benefit is their coverage for extreme sports like skiing or mountain biking, included in certain plans. If you plan on adventure travel, this is a significant advantage over traditional travel insurance providers. One downside is that premiums are slightly higher than budget competitors, but the convenience, mobile support, and wide coverage make it worth it for hassle-free protection. In conclusion, Heymondo is ideal for travelers who want comprehensive coverage, fast claims, and extra peace of mind for active or adventure trips. If you value speed, simplicity, and reliable service, it's worth the investment. Subscribe for more travel insurance reviews to make sure your next trip is protected from unexpected mishaps.